Hello, my name is Sandesh Rajkumar. Me and my group presents you a video on tourism in Odisha. So, why Odisha should be your next travel destination? Talks about Odisha starts with Jagannath Puri and ends with Konark Sun Temple. Backpackers and travelers community have ignored Odisha despite the fact that it hides a world of temple, the roaring of Bay of Bengal, tranquil beaches, and astonishing wildlife hidden in the greenest mangrove you ever find in this country. Every year, millions of tourists gather in Jagannath Puri to witness the amazing Yatrayatra. The festival ends and they leave. With a small itinerary, they can realize how amazing the state is. Food. How can you not talk about Odisha without mentioning its food? Odisha is a paradise for seafood lovers. Apart from the seafood, the sweet dishes like ODI version of Rasgulla, Pahala Rasgulla, Misti Dohi and Chhena Poda are worth for die for. Chilka Lake is filled with some small hut-like setups inside of which you'll get the best pond curry. Beaches. Take a break from your busy schedule and explore some of the most pristine beaches that you will ever come across in the country, dotted with Periana and mangrove forest with the crystal blue waters of the sea splashing against its shore. Find Sholesh amidst the serenity and the solid amidst the golden sun-kissed beaches of Odisha. Odisha has a coastline of 500 kilometers. Notable beaches on this coastline include Chandripur Beach, Chandrabhaga Beach, Garimatha Beach, Puri Beach and Talsari Beach. The temples. Odisha is a land of temples. These temples are spread all across the state and they all reflect the brilliance of architecture and design. Apart from Jagannath Puri, the temples of Bhubaneswar, most importantly Lingaraja temple, is a Scottish piece of construction and design. This 11th century temple is dedicated to Philibic symbol of Lord Shiva. Statues of dancer, king, queens, hunters and other characters from mythological story fills the wall. It's said that Odisha has more than 800 temples, out of which most are more than 200 years old. I think that's enough reasons to visit Odisha. Must visit places in Odisha. First, Puri. Puri in Odisha is one of the 4 must-visit pilgrimage sites for Hindus because of Jagannath temple that forms the part of Chardham in India. Puri is a beach city located on the coast of Bay of Bengal, which is one of the favorites among the people of West Bengal for a short trip. Best time to visit Puri is from July to March. Second, Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar, the temple city of India, once known for its architecture and grand temples, is presently a thriving center for commerce and business. Best time to visit Bhubaneswar is from October to March. Third, Konark. Konark in Odisha is renowned world over the Sun Temple, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also famous for annual dance festival and its beautiful sandy beaches. Best time to visit Konark is from September to March. Fourth, Gopalpur. In the southern coastline of Odisha, just 15 km away from the city of Behrampur, is located a quaint tiny town of Gopalpur, which was a seaport bustling with the trade and commerce in colonial era. Best time to visit Gopalpur is from November to February. Fifth, Talsari Beach. Located in Balveshwar district of Odisha and at a distance of 10 km from Digha, the Talsari Bridge is a pristine, serene and has been restored with a spectacular panorama. Best time to visit is from October to December. 6. Simlipal National Park. Reflecting the natural beauty of an era gone by, Simlipal National Park is a beautiful and scenic town in Odisha situated in Mayurbhanj. It once used to be a hunting ground for the ruler of the province. Simlipal is the largest wildlife sanctuary in India and is also considered as one of the principal tiger projects in India. The area is rich with the dense forest, seeking meadows and startling waterfalls and beautiful rivers. Best time to visit Simlipal is from November to mid-June. 7. Tikkarpada Wildlife Sanctuary. The Tikkarpada Wildlife Sanctuary spread across 795.5 square kilometers and does not fail to eternal its visitors with its overwhelming beauty, lush green surroundings, the ever-cherishing rambling of river Mahanadi beside the very famous Satkosai Gorge and large variety of species of wild animal, birds and plants. Best time to visit is from October to March. 8. Dhuli, the land of Kalinga War. Dhuli is a small town 8 km away south of Bhubaneswar, located on the bank of river Daya and holds a great significance for the follower of Lord Buddha. Dhuli is said to be the witness of the reform of Ashoka's character. Best time to visit is from July to February. 9th. Hirakud Dam, Bhubaneswar. Constructed across the Mahanadi River in Sambhalpur, Odisha's Hirakud Dam is hailed as the longest human-made dams in India. Astonishingly, it's over 56 km long, and it's the top pick among the local as well as the tourists. To enjoy a refreshing day out, this marvelous piece of architecture construction was built in year 1956, and owing to its location is a fantastic spot to watch nature come alive in all its glory. You can visit Hirakud Dam any time in the year. 10th. Udayagiri and Khandagiri Caves. The hills of Udayagiri and Khandagiri, located on the outskirts of Odisha's capital, Bhubaneswar, are historic remnants of India's rich past. The hill house a number of caves, most of which have been carved out by Jain monks and artisans from the times of King Karavela. Not only are these caves testimony to architectural genius of ancient India, they also bear a message of love, compassion, and religious tolerance. The Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves are considered among the wonders of India and dated back to the 1st century BC. Best time to visit is from November to March. Important tips. First, best time to visit Odisha is between late August and early March. The summer season is terrible and will tire you soon. Second, before traveling, make sure of the cyclone warnings. Third, the rainfall are heavy, which causes flood in majority areas of the state. Most important places like Bhubaneswar and Puri have hotels and resorts depending upon your budget. Gopalpur and Behrampur beach destinations are filled with snacks and stay home with basic amenities. Fifth, Konark is best visited as a day trip from Puri, and the 64 Yogini temple Buddhist structure can be explored by keeping Bhubaneswar as a base. 6. Odisha State Tourism Development Corporation has its guest houses in every important location of the state. This video was only possible with the help of my group members. Sanchit Jadhav, Sahil Saroj, Sahil Pandit, Satish Paswan,
Saurav Gothalia, and me.
Thank you everyone. Peace.